26 people in the UK have died with coronavirus. That's the lowest working weekday level of fatalities. It's just announced the Business Secretary doesn't have COVID-19. Alex Sharma has been tested after falling unwell in the House of Commons yesterday. Meanwhile, more than £16 billion is being lent to 53 major businesses as part of a special COVID-19 recovery scheme. The money from the Bank of England is to be repaid with lower interest rates. The weather tonight, showers clearing, mostly clear skies, feeling chilly, wet and windier further north and west, a low of 2 degrees.
Nick Ferrari at breakfast, weekday mornings from 7.
Northern Ireland Secretary Cabinet Minister Brandon Lewis. Boris Johnson got a bit tetchy yesterday under close scrutiny from the Labour leader. How is Boris Johnson faring under questions from Secure?
Doing very, very well. I think he's been giving very clear answers. And
but nobody asked him to be supportive. It's not the job of opposition to be supportive, is it, Mr. Lewis?
Well, I think actually when you're in a situation of national crisis, I think it is right where you work with the government for the national interest.
Nick Ferrari at breakfast.
With Xero, get your business digital ready with Xero accounting software.
LBC.
TfL has a plan to help London reopen carefully, safely and sustainably. You can do your bit by continuing to work from home if you can and avoiding public transport. If you must use public transport,